Invite collaborator on Instagram after posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can invite collaborators on Instagram after posting. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To invite collaborators on Instagram after posting, the problem here is that I can invite a collaborator before posting anything by tapping the tag people option. But assuming that I have already posted something over here, and now let's say I want to go ahead and then just actually invite a collaborator here. Even if I tap the three dots option and then I just go to the edit button over here, you can see I can have the option to tag people if I want to here. So I can tag people, but unfortunately I can't invite collaborators. So this process is simply not possible. What you can actually do is you can just go ahead and then delete this particular profile. Once you delete this particular photo, you can just try to upload a new photo by inviting those collaborators. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.